Welcome to another episode of XTool Studio Quick Tip. I hope you find this useful. Okay, so this is an experiment to see what happens with photos and what we can do to change into art. I'm going to be using this photo over and over again, just so to compare. This is a photo of my eldest daughter when she was a baby, Cypress, and it's really one of my favorites. So what we're going to do is click on this, and this menu, right mouse click, pops up the edit. Okay, so there are a whole bunch of things here, and then down below, restyle, that's AI, and the credits, 6 credits for each one of these. I'm going to see what happens. And 6 credits is really nothing because $20 will get you a lot of thousands of them. Okay, so let's see line art, because I'm going to be doing, I want to engrave, so I want to remove all of this. Let's generate. Let's keep it simple. Okay, let's move this to the side. I'm going to actually compare, so I'm going to bring that back. So what we're going to do in that case, we're going to do it again. And let's generate that. And then you can see. This is better. I'm going to put this here. This is more, so that is stylized art, and this is more just black and white, and I would have to go in to clean it up. Let's try this. Fine line, realistic. Okay, line art, that's realistic. Let's do that. Oops. You know what? The AI is funny. I have to, because actually it doesn't recognize that it's her tongue, except looks like a pacifier, but they've got the hat pretty down pat. I'm going to open that up again to show you. And the dress is a lot better. So that gives you the difference in style. This is fine line art, that's more realistic. This is stylized line art, and this is black and white. So actually comment below to let me know which is your favorite. And if you had to engrave a pendant, so not just a card that you can change and it's supposed to represent somebody, which one would you choose? And I'm going to actually do another video where we clean it up, how to change the vectors and engrave a pendant. I hope you found that useful. Stones and Findings is a wholesaler of premium quality chains and findings, as well as a huge selection of engraving blanks. I'm going to leave more information about our company in the description below.